Hi students, today we are going to see about the chapter 4 factorization. We already learned about factors of the numbers. Here with algebraic expressions we are going to learn it. Factors of a natural number, this is what we already know. 30 can be written as a factor 2 and 15, 2 into 15 or 3 into 10 or 5 into 6. So 5 and 6 are factors of 30, 3 and 10 are factors of 30, 2 and 15 are factors of 30. When coming to the prime form of 30 is 2 into 3 into 5. So entire numbers is in the form of prime, right? So the next factors of algebraic expression, this is what we are going to concentrate in this chapters. So 5x y is the means we will write the factors as 5 into x into y, right? If we have a 25xy means we can write 5 into x into y. Just we are writing in the multiples. That's the factors of algebraic expressions. So it is a monomial, right? Again one more monomial, x square is equal to x into x. It is in the terms of factors. So it is already one factor, it's already a factors. And here also we are going to see just everything in the multiples, right? 3 into x plus 2. 3 into x plus 2. It is also in the multiplications, right? Then factorization. When we factorize an algebraic expression, we write it is a product of a factor. So everything will be in the products of the factors. For instance, multiplications, right? So 3x y comma 5x square y, 2x y plus 2 y plus 1 into x plus 3 are already in the factor form. It is the multiples, right? Every entire things are the multiplied. 3 is multiplied with like x is multiplied with y. So all the examples also like that. 2 is multiplied with x is multiplied with y plus 2. So bracket means it multiple together. So it is also a multiplications product. So here y plus 1 is multiplied with x plus 3. This is also in terms of product, which is already in the factor form. And other 2x plus 4. If you choose only the 2x plus 4, it's addition, right? We are not multiple. You can see the 2 is multiplied with x, but this term is not multiplied with 4. This term is actually added, right? So we use a method of common factors and we will be doing. So what are the common factors for this? First, if we expand and write all the factors, then we will get. So let me write the factors of 2x. Factors of 2x is 2 into x, right? Plus the factors of 4 is 2 into 2. So now we have to apply the distributive property. So which is the common here? 2, right? So now apply the distributive property. So 2 into, here that we apply the distributive property, 2 is there, we written outside the bracket, and x plus here the 2 is also written using the distributive property. Again we will be having a 2. So 2 into x plus 2. Now you can see that 2 is multiplied with x plus 2. This is the whole term and this is one the term. So it is in the product. So if it is not in the product form, we can write and we can do these kinds of steps. This is the common factor method we will be saying, finding the common factor and applying the distributive property. We will write in the factorized form. So here we go for the problem. Find the common factors of given terms. So if the two terms are given, we have to find the common factors. First, let me find the factors of the 12x. So 12x is 12 is a 2 into 2 into 3, right? Just write the prime factor, it will be very helpful. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 12 into x. So 36 is a 2 into 3 into 2 into 3, right? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So now what is the common factors? So common factors are 2 and another 2 and another 3, right? Common factors are so 2 into 3, that is 12. So 12 is the common factor for the both the terms. So this is like an exercise to find the common factors, and next we will apply for factorization. So here 14 peak. So let me write in the factorized form. 14 is a 2 into 7 prime factor, right? So into p into q. Next 28 p square q square. Square means 2 times, right? So 28 is a 2 into 4 into 7, right? So 2 into 7 into p square means, so 28 I written 2 into 7, and p square means p into p, and q square is a q into q. So what are the commons here now? 2 2 and into 7 to 7 and 1 p and 1 q, right? The common factors are 2 into 7 into p into q, 2 into 7 into p into q. That means 7 2s are 14, 14 pq is the common factor. So we go for the next. Totally we have a 3 terms here. So okay, even 3 terms we have, we are going to do by the same method. So first let me bind the factors of the first term. This you can write 2 into 3 into a into b into c. Next is 24 ab square. So 24 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So into 1a into b square is there, so b into b. So next is the 12a square b. So 12 we can write as a 2 into 2 into 3. A square is in a into a and b multiplied with b. So now we find the common factors. So here 2 is there and 3. So 3 terms also you have to find the common factors, not only the 1 term. 3 also it should be. Next a, right? And then b, yeah, b is also there. Anything else? No, c is not there. So 2 into 3 into a into b is the common factor. The common factors are 2 into 3 into a into b, which is equal to 6ab. Clear? So here we go for the next problem. Factorize the following expression. So it is not factorized, we have to factorize it. The first term is 7x minus, second is 42. So the same as finding the common factors, then we can apply the distributive property, then we can factorize. The first term is 7 into x. So my subtracted with second term 42. So what is the factors of the 42? 2 into 3 into 7. Right? So now we find which is the common here. So 7, right? And nothing else. So now we can apply the distributive property. So 7 will be multiplied with 7 into here x minus rest 2 into 3 is 6. So 7 into x minus 6 is factorized now. Right? Okay. We'll go for the next one. 6p minus 12q. So as usual, just factorize the first term. 6 we can factorize as a 2 into 3 into, and the p is we write as it is, minus 12, 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into, and here it is a q. So now we find what are the commons. 2 is there, 3 is there, nothing else, right? Then 3 2s are 6. So 6 is the common. So 2 into 3 is written as a 6 here. So p minus here 2 into 3 we written, the rest is a 2q. So this is factorized. 6 into p minus 2q. So now it is multiple, right? 6 is multiplied with p minus 2q. But here it is not a multiply, it's like a subtract. Clear? So like this, find a factorization, and after finding it, apply the distributive property, then we will get the factors. So we go for the next. The same, that we are going to find the factors for each term. Totally 3 terms are there. First term is the x square y z. That means x into y into z. Plus here x y square z. So x into y square. So 2 y's and 1 z. Plus here x y z square. X into y into 2 z square. So 2 z's. So now you find what are the common. I hope x is in all the terms, and y is also in all the terms, and z is also in all the terms. So x, y, z is the common. X, y, z. So applying distributive property, here the rest is the x, plus here rest is the y, z. No, z we have chosen, right? I didn't underline, sorry. Okay, y plus here the z. So x into y into z multiplied with x plus y plus z. So it is factorized. Thank you.